Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In today's newspaper on Thursday, June 6th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the three-star Sudoku, the four-star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah? The jigsaw Sudoku. And this will be number 8670. 8670. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18, 10 printed digits more, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. I don't think it's a 4 stars. I think it's rather 0 stars. 0 stars I need 30 minutes. Maybe it's a 1 star also. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0 or 1 or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box on boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes in this puzzle? I see only two duo boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have a triple box? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No, well, we have 1 quadra box. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z construction. Only 1 Z construction. Then the next shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, it's rotated, this one. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. Following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, this one is upside down. The L shape is upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have L shapes in this puzzle? Not only 1 L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Okay. Do we have more? Yeah. Here. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this is all connected. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fit any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2... and this box can also not be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1. Oh, we already have a 4 here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3. So these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in the Z construction. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this Z construction should be there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. But also this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 should be here. Is connected with that box should be also 5. Is also connected with this box should be 5. And is also connected with this box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay, 1 box left in the Z construction. For the 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah. 3 and 4, okay. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. Not the solution to place the 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I mark this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be as 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2. Yeah, we have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 there, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Also the same numbers, 3 and 5 here. And this one is connected with that box, so also 3 and 5. But these 3 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 3 and 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 and 4 in this area, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 4, 5, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright, and now let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 here. So around the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And I think this box will be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box, I think it's a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Told you. Cannot be a 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, the first Friday of the month. We have a speed test. Speed test June. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.